Today we'll show you how to download Visual Code Studio. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and go here, write Visual Studio Code. Okay, you will find it Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, click and now go the first link. Click and now here, if you have a Windows, you can click to Windows. Okay, just now download for Windows. Okay, click and now waiting it, you will be find it here. Just we will now wait 100 MB. Okay, just wait it. Just now go to here and go to now download or what you want, but I won't wait it here. Okay guys, now I think it's finishing now. Just now click to here and okay, click when finish it. Just wait a few. Okay, now just click to here and go to next. Okay, this default, go to next. Okay, next to, okay, create and bureau, you want to see it, next and next, and you will be see now. Just waiting it to installing and get installation. Okay, just wait back and to see it. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, it's finishing. It's now we have Visual Studio Code in our PC. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.